I'm gonna leave with this. You got no money? You're listening to us. You're like, these two fucking guys, like, they don't fucking know me. They don't fucking get it. Here's what's up. It's called Craigslist. There's a section. Go to Craigslist, go for sale, and then hit, that's the next button you click. And then there's a button within for sale called free. Click it. In America, because we're the wealthiest fucking country in the world, even when you live in the fucking hood, when you hit free, people are giving away free shit. People are giving away old TVs, old couches, frames, video games for free. You click the button, you go, yo, I'm coming to your house, I'm picking it up. You pick it up. You don't have transportation, good. You carry a fucking chair on a bus in the fucking subway. People look at you, who gives a fuck? Fuck them. Next, you come home. I know you got a cell phone. This is not about the right software anymore. Everybody's got a smartphone. Everybody I know who's homeless has a fucking iPhone. Okay? You have a phone. Take a picture of the fucking chair, and if you don't have a Facebook account, create a Facebook account. There's something called Facebook Marketplace. It's the eBay and Craigslist of Facebook. You post it. You put the chair on for 20 bucks. Somebody's gonna message you and buy it off of you. You can do that 50 times a month and make $3,000 a month, and now you have money. Or you can sit at home, play fucking 2K, and blame the world for your shortcomings. Period.
They don't want to do that.
Brother, people don't want to work. You know why? It's easier to complain.